Hello dear learners, this is Dr. SEDHUPATHY, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Coimbatore. So today we are going to explore about basics of Apache Cassandra. That is like Apache Cassandra and how it tackles the big challenges of managing massive data. And by the end of the presentation, you will see why Cassandra is a popular choice for organizations that need reliability, scalability, and speed. And you know why Apache Cassandra? Here is the comparison. Traditional relational databases are great, but they struggle when data grows too big or is spread across multiple servers. And modern applications like social media, IoT device data, or financial systems need to be always available, handle failures gracefully, and scale quickly without downtime. A good example of this is Facebook back in 2008. They need a scalable, reliable backend for their growing inbox search feature. Traditional databases just couldn't keep up. This challenge led them to the development of Cassandra. And what is Apache Cassandra actually? Cassandra is an open source distributed NoSQL database. It is designed to manage very large amount of data across many servers, all while providing high availability and linear scalability. You know, it has a special feature called peer-to-peer architecture, which means there is no single point of failure, and it even supports multi-data center replication, which is grateful for global applications. And core characteristics of Cassandra, there are few characteristics. Let's see one by one. First one is distributed and decentralized characteristics. All nodes are equal, so there is no master node that can become a bottleneck. Elastic scalability feature, you can add or remove nodes with no downtime, and the performance grows linearly as you scale. And fault tolerant feature, here data is automatically replicated, so even if a node fails the system, it keeps running. And tunable consistency. Tunable consistency, you can choose between strong consistency or high performance consistency depending on your needs or requirements. Flexible data model, it uses wide column store and supports dynamic schemas, so it can easily adapt as your data evolves rapidly and fastly. High throughput feature, built for speed and capable of handling huge amount of reads and writes efficiently in the database. And coming to data model essentials of Cassandra. Here, data is organized into key spaces which hold tables. Tables are made up of partitions, rows, and columns. The partition key decides how data is distributed across nodes, which helps keep queries fast and data localized. Cassandra also supports collections like lists, sets, and maps, and even allows you to define custom data type for more complex data structures. And coming to architecture highlights of Cassandra. Cassandra basically has a smart architecture. First, gossip protocol. Nodes constantly talk to each other to share health and cluster information. No central coordinator is needed. Second one is seed nodes. These help new node join the cluster without creating a single point of failure. And finally, cluster resilience. Cassandra can span multiple racks or even entire data centers, providing global availability with low latency. And coming to real world impact of Apache Cassandra. Dear learners, Cassandra is not just theory. It is used by tech giants like Facebook, Netflix, Uber, and Apple to run critical services. It's perfect for IoT platforms, messaging services, and so on, financial systems. Basically, any application that needs to handle massive data streams reliably and in real time. And while coming to conclusion, dear learners, in very short, Apache Cassandra is built for modern data era. It is scalable, always available, and flexible enough to handle complex evolving data in the modern scenario. It gives organizations the power to build a system that grow with their needs without sacrificing performance or reliability. Thank you, dear learners, for your patient listening. I hope this session gave you a clear understanding of why Apache Cassandra is such a powerful solution for big data challenges. Thank you once again.